You're freaking out because you have finally signed a client, but you don't know what to do next. It's a good kind of problem, but it may turn ugly if you don't have a system in place. And in this video, I'm giving out free assets and values from start to finish, from signing a client to delivering a service. Unlike other gurus and courses online, gatekeeping all the valuable sources behind a paywall, I'm giving it everything for free. And this is the 7th episode of the free website offer method. If you haven't watched the first 6 episodes of this course, which is the crucial part of this business method, please go check it out, or else you won't understand what we're talking about in this episode. If you are new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I provide SaaS and website services to local businesses, and now I'm teaching you how to do the same. Now let's get back to the video. I signed the client. What's next? This is the episode number 7. Again, if you haven't watched the existing 6 episodes, you won't understand the full depth of this free website method course. So please go check it out before watching this video. Today's agenda: why a proven onboarding process matters, 50/50 payment model and call-ready tools, the client portal walkthrough, launch, handoff, and ongoing services, top conversion tips. Why onboarding matters: a smooth start, happy clients, builds confidence and trust, reduces revision and confusion, sets clear expectation with you and clients. A messy kickoff is a warning flag, late payments and unhappy clients. With a clear process, you have your client time, position yourself as a professional who solves their problem, so they pay you, refer you, and stick around you for long term. Before getting into the video, we do have our own community where you can interact with like-minded people within this wolf pack, and you get to have all the free resources, free courses, and all the templates I'm using within my agency to get more clients in a monthly basis. And the accountability system, which has been proven a lot, because trust me, people know what to do, but they don't have the strength to do it. So this will give you the strength, and this will give you the boost. If you work with the like-minded people, and if each others are pushing, you will get to grow a lot compared to working on yourself, because frankly this is a lonely journey and I don't want you to burn out. So check out the link in the first link in the description to join the community, to access everything and kickstart your agency as soon as possible. The 50/50 payment method, and this is a crucial part: never work unpaid. I've did this mistake a lot in the beginning. I don't want you to do the same mistake again. 50 upfront, 50 on delivery. Have these ready on your call: invoice, PDF, Stripe, Payna, or recurring links. Like if you're building a website, you should be having the offer, like payments, like in the last episode we discussed on all the offers we spoke. If you have like $1,000 website, you should be having an invoice for 500, and you should be having a recurring Stripe payment for the hosting fees or SEO services you're doing. For example, $27 for hosting, $197 or $497 for SEO or automation, whatever you're setting your offer for. You have to be ready with everything. On your kickoff call, send the deposit invoice immediately, either a link to pay on now or Stripe subscription for monthly option. Getting 50% before work begins stops no-shows and ensures they are invested from day one. The balance comes once you have connected their domain and the site is live. Right after payment, fire off a templated welcome email. It guides them to the portal where everything lives: forms to fill, files to upload, contracts to sign, and invoices to pay. One central hub means zero hunting for docs and back and forth. So what I do is, instead of email, I made my own client onboarding portal in Notion, and I've attached a video to walk them through instead of just having text. I will show you how it works in a second. And this is my client portal, and I have set up my own video to walk them through. They just have to click it and the video plays. Hello there, Gautam here. I'm excited to begin working together. I built this client portal to make your collaboration seamless and efficient. Everything is organized in easy way to manage, place for you and your team. Like everything you want to know and everything you want to have, everything is in here. And again, I'm not a legal professional, so this is simply what I use for my projects. I recommend consulting with your legal team or advisor to ensure it aligns with your specific requirements, because we have invoices, we have proposals, we have contracts. This is what I use. You have everything from proposal, contract, invoice, planning. If you click on it, voila, there's a proposal. Next up, contract. That's the contract. Next up, invoices and planning and branding essentials. This is where you get all the questions from your clients to make use of it within the website instead of waiting for them sending one by one. This is the good way to have everything in a single place. Project roadmap. This is where you show them which phase are you in, and you get to like play around with this project phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. And you can mention what is inside the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, like in the description. And resources. And all the projects, files, legal documents, payment information will be stored within this place. And up next, meetings. It's basically all the meetings you're going to have with this client dated along the way. It will be shown in here. And all the access to the accounts like Go High Level, Notion, Google Workspace, like all the username, passwords, everything will be stored in here. And these are the simple FAQs, frequently asked questions. If the clients went through this and read this, you don't have to deal with most of the frequently asked questions. Sometimes people just want to ask you directly rather than reading, but it's good to have in place. So you will be getting access to this if you join the community with the referral link, or you can just get it from the second link in the description, from like having your own website, your own funnel website, your custom CSS codes to make your website high ticket price, your client onboarding portal, like everything you want to have a profitable business, you will get it in the second link in the description. Or if you want to have this for free, you can join the community by my referral link, the first link in the description. Project kickoff and delivery. After intake and deposit, we build the site, connect the domain and hosting, go live and run final tests, send final invoice. And just to be sure, only after getting the final invoice, you'll be getting this, giving them the sub account password and login details, and the website will be live. Since we are using Go High Level, they will be getting their own sub account. If you are willing to do upselling like review automation to give them a sub account to handle their CRM for like 97 or 497, whichever you may prefer. Premium service delivery, custom CSS package for high ticket website, advanced animations and micro interactions, brand specific style and transition, mobile first response and tweaks. Perfect upsell for 2,000 to 5,000 website projects. As you know, I run a free website offer where I contact the clients with a free offer with cold calling, cold email, cold Facebook group outreach or content. And I will get them to book a meeting, and then I'll upsell them with the actual paid services, for example, like this. And I like having the payment in my account rather than Stripe, because Stripe takes a huge cut. So I get the payment inside my bank account. Website I have sold with the free website offer, upselling them with actual price like 2,000 and 2,400. So if you want to sell a premium service, think about this. If you're calling someone and said, this website is 5,000 pounds, do you think will they still keep on talking to you, let alone booking a meeting with you or paying the money? People don't trust you, so start with the free offer and then go into the meeting and start making them trust you. So this is what we were talking about in the first 6 episodes. Please go watch it. And if you want to sell a high ticket price website, CSS package, we have a whole library of CSS package to make the website pop and give them a high luxury brand value. So if you want to check out the CSS codes, it's in the second link in the description. The ongoing services and communication, monthly retainer, SEO review automation, content updates and bug fixes, weekly check-ins, progress updates, action items for next week. If you are still in a high ticket project, if you are giving just free website with monthly hosting fees, it's just going to take 30 minutes to set up everything and deliver the service. Top tips for high conversion. Be prepared, invoice and Stripe links at your fingertips. Plug the portal, demo it live on the call. Set expectations, payment and portal tasks before kickoff. Protect yourself, never touch the site until the deposit clears. Don't work for free. Only when you get the first 50% of the payment, you will even think about start working on the site, because you don't want to waste your time and waste your money for no reason. And again, if you want to check out the community, this Wolfpack community is totally for free. You can check out in the first link in the description, like all the templates I use in my business, the resources, the courses, and most important thing, a weekly meeting with me where I can help you fix all the issues you're going through. And on top of it, the priceless community you'll be getting with like-minded people. You'll be helping each other to grow even more. So don't work alone. I know it's a lonely journey. I don't want you to burn out. Check the first link in the description and join the community. So we have come to an end of this course. Please do check out all the videos in this course and please do join the community. You will get access to everything. And in the next video, we will be talking about all the systems and templates you need within your agency and how to get access everything for free in the next episode. And if you don't want to miss out watching the video, make sure to subscribe and I will see you guys in the next video.